What is CAD? CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. Earlier, design and drafting involved drawing boards, paper, pencils, and erasers. But today, most designs are done in computer applications that allows you to do complex drawings much faster, productively, and more accurately than before. Drawing with the help of computers has become a necessity for the technical community today. What is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a software application for 2D and 3D design and drafting. In other words, it is a computer program that allows you to create 2D technical drawings and 3D models from which something will be built.